Hi friends, how are you? Vladimir here with you, and this is my daily update. On the first 2 days, I actually didn't update nothing on the blog because I just waiting the market to make the situation a little clearer because the beginning was really unclear. And what do I mean by I wanted to be clearer? Well, as the topic of this past hand, do you really believe this up move? I not. I don't believe it, and I will explain this video why. And this is the euro dollar weekly chart. Okay, the previous candle, previous bar of the weekly chart was a marubuzu. A marubuzu means that the close price is equal to the low price. All right. After marubuzos, we usually see a correction, and this is a correction. And why I'm so sure? Well, watch the MACD slump, friends. Despite this up move, look what's happening here. The slope is going down. Wow, really amazing. If we go to the daily chart, sorry, what do we have here? We had a break of the 200 moving average, right? And now the pair retraces to test it and hit the 200 moving average again, while it also hits this uptrend, this resistance line. I'm sorry. All right. So what does it mean? Well, to be honest, we have some kind of uptrend line here, right? We have some kind of uptrend line here. You might even hit this line. It will be maximum to 131, 50 even. I will give extra 20 pips. All right. But what do I want you to remember tomorrow? Jean-Claude Trichet, this president will the president of the European Central Bank, right? He will release his interest rate for this month, for this period. The interest rate should not be changed. If it will surprise everybody in this market. But the most important thing is not the release of interest rate, but his announcement after it, right? His announcement, his sayings that comes after it. So tomorrow is a critical day for the euro dollar. And although Portugal has a new, let's say, motivation to raise, and they sell bonds, although all of it, we still very bearish for the euro dollar. And from my point of opinion, from these points, in 1 or 2 days, we will return to the downtrend line, right? And even though this is a bullish divergence, I'm sorry, I do think that this divergence will be broken. I don't believe it. I just don't believe this divergence. All right. And now another one thing: if this candle bar of today will finish green, and probably it will finish green and bullish, and tomorrow will be finished as a bearish candle, right? Maybe even bearish inverted candle, then it will hint for a serious continue of a down move. Why? Because usually when a correction finished with three bars in a row, and then one bar that continues and then hints on a current trend, okay, it will continue. Such as this example, we had this down move, right? We had three bars correction, one, two, three, and we had this engulfing immediately after it. Okay, if it will the same happen during these 2 days, today and tomorrow, it will be definitely a big hand for us to go and sell the euro dollar. So watch this pair. What about the next Australian dollar? All right, does it look logical for you, friends? From my point of view, it does. It looks like we are going to have head and shoulders here, right? But of course, it's only just an assuming, and it's still not sure. But but the only thing is sure that we are still bullish. We still, do you remember this engulfing on the weekly chart? Watch the weekly indicators. They are still pointing down, right? They are still pointing down. And the daily charts, we are still waiting for the uptrend line to be broken, right? Oh, sorry. Just sorry for this line. Okay, here, all right? We're still waiting for it to be really broken. It still didn't broken, right? It was not broken. So we are waiting for maybe creation of the head and shoulders here. If so, we might see one parity level again, maybe. All right. If not, I'm waiting for these Bollinger Bands to get tightened again and then broken down, being broken down, and the and daily candle close below these Bollinger Bands and below this support line that I marked before. All right. So definitely a lot of things to wait for, and don't forget this uptrend line, which we are also looking to be broken. All right. This is the Australian. Definitely gonna be interesting thing. What about the dollar Canadian? Well, I am bearish for this one, for my weekly report. But I personally don't like this pair too much. But you all remember this triangle I gave you, right? We're still moving down because of this triangle. And to be honest, we have this support around 098, but the investors levels is still 095, right? So still bearish um, for this commodity, for this pair. Sorry. What about the gold? Well, you see it. It's look almost the same as the euro dollar, right? Almost the same as the euro dollar. And this doji may to if today is finished with doji, right? Then it might hint for if tomorrow will break this down level, then the downtrend will continue. I am still bearish for this commodity, right? The silver, the same. We might see even here head and shoulders, right? So I do wait for this support line to be broken, okay? And then it will be a sell opportunity. So what I'm trying to say that I personally don't believe, really, I don't believe for all this uptrend, right? It looks like it's all fake. And watch the indicators, watch the bigger time frames, friend. Watch the volumes, all right? It looks bad. It looks real bad. The only pair that really looks bullish, somehow bullish, is the British pound. Is the British pound, but also I don't buy this. I really don't buy these up moves. Okay, I do think that it will be finished very, very, very soon. Okay, so that's a quick update for today, and thank you very much for watching this video. And good luck trading, and please be careful with these fake moves. All right, these moves will become true if we have a weekly bullish close. But if we do, then we have our weekly review to talk about it. Okay, so as for now, we're still bearish. Don't forget it, friends. Don't forget it, and look for the signals. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a good day. Ciao.